How to turn off pop-up ad blocker on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In this video, I will show you how to disable pop-up blockers in Safari and Chrome on your Mac. We'll see Safari first, and then we'll go to Chrome. First, open Safari. If I go to a website, for example, if I go to Apple, I won't get any pop-up right now because pop-ups are blocked right now. To disable that, on the top left corner, click on Safari and then click on Preferences. Then from the tabs above, go to Websites. Then here, scroll down and then go to Pop-up Windows. Here you can see currently open websites, apple.com, and it is set to block and notify. So if I click here and then click on Allow, now all the pop-ups from apple.com will be allowed. You can also allow pop-ups from every other website by clicking here when visiting other websites, and then clicking here and then clicking on Allow. Now, pop-ups won't be blocked on any website, but if you want to enable pop-ups on some websites and disable them on some website, then here you can, over here, like I've done it on apple.com, you can do it for other websites also. That is how you disable pop-up windows in Safari. Now we'll see in Chrome. Open Chrome, and then on the top right corner, you can see the three dots. Click on it, and then go to Settings. Now here, go to Security and Privacy, and then click on Site Settings. Now scroll down and click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Now click on Site Scans and Pop-ups and use Redirects. Here, you have disabled pop-up blockers on Chrome. You can also do the same thing as we did on Safari. Enable them for some websites, and disable them for some by selecting the sites over here who are allowed to send pop-ups and use redirects. If I click on Add and then add a website, say youtube.com, and then click on Add. Now, pop-ups will be allowed from youtube.com only. When I disable pop-ups, now only pop-ups from youtube.com will be allowed. If I remove it from here and then enable all the pop-ups, now if I click Not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirects, this is the option. Here you can select some website you don't want the pop-ups from. For example, if I don't want pop-ups from, like Instagram, click Add, then over here, type instagram.com, and then click on Add. Now, every other website will be allowed to send me pop-ups and use redirects, except for Instagram.com. That is how you disable pop-up blockers in Safari and Chrome on a Mac. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. With that said, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.